Saturn, and the possibility of extraterrestrial beings closer to us than we think. Renowned American scientist Bob Dean sheds light on 12 intelligent species that may be active among us and throughout our solar system. But who are these beings, and what are their intentions? The secrets of Saturn are more elusive than conventional science claims. While various space probes have explored the gas giant, the Cassini mission's 20-year exploration left significant questions unanswered. Rumors circulate about extraterrestrial activity around Saturn, with reports of their spacecraft hidden behind the planet, evading detection from Earth. According to Robert Bob Dean, these beings are challenging to decipher because they can shift partially or entirely into another dimension. What might sound far-fetched at first takes a fascinating turn when we consider that some of the dust and rocks within Saturn's rings contain rare minerals, possibly serving as food or fuel for these unique life forms. But who is Bob Dean, and why should we consider his claims? Dean's military service in the U.S. Army from 1960 to 1967, including the Korean War and the Vietnam War, carried a rank of Command Sergeant Major. Yet, the specifics of his work at NATO during this time remain unclear. His assertions about extraterrestrial life and criticism of organizations like NASA and NATO have garnered skepticism. In 2009, at the Barcelona Exopolitics Summit, Dean publicly stated that there are intelligent races billions of years ahead of us and that we are discovering stars with planets possibly older than our Sun. In spring 2023, the U.S. Senate held hearings, shifting the focus from NASA to the Pentagon, which allegedly possesses knowledge of extraterrestrial beings but has not shared it with the public. Some fighter pilots who encountered UFOs sought protection against ridicule and backlash when sharing their experiences. Recent events seem to corroborate Bob Dean's lifetime efforts to convey these insights to humanity. Dean shared numerous photographs, some of which were allegedly appropriated by NASA. For instance, a photograph captured by astronaut Alan L. Bean during the Apollo 12 mission shows a peculiar flying object. Bob Dean's tenure at NATO afforded him extensive knowledge about various extraterrestrial interactions with humanity, yet these claims remain unsubstantiated to this day. Organizations like NATO, NASA, and the Pentagon continue to deny any knowledge of extraterrestrial existence or contact. In a UFO presentation at a university, Bob Dean claimed to be aware of 4 different extraterrestrial groups during his service, which had grown to over 12 species by the time he retired. Some of these beings resemble humans closely, enabling them to blend in with us unnoticed. Dean also suggested that these entities may hold significant positions of power in our institutions, urging caution. Yet, controlling something that most people don't know about is challenging. According to Dean, agencies like NASA and NATO cooperate with these entities while keeping the general public in the dark. However, Dean also presents a positive side to extraterrestrial life, noting that some species exist in dimensions beyond our understanding, making interactions with us possible. Bob Dean's revelations go beyond interplanetary interactions, extending to interstellar and cosmic beings that transcend the limitations of time and space, a concept Einstein privately explored. While Einstein refrained from publicly discussing his thoughts on additional dimensions, researchers like Burkhard Heim ventured to present 12-dimensional models, facing backlash from conservative science. Returning to Bob Dean's captivating photographs, several images reveal unidentified objects close to Saturn's rings, suggesting that these entities might be influencing the formation of Saturn's rings through electromagnetic vehicles. Dr. Norman Berggren, a scientist and engineer at NASA and Lockheed Martin, played a pivotal role in the Voyager missions and captured images indicating the activity of intelligent beings around Saturn. Bob Dean's insights, though intriguing, remain unconfirmed, and mainstream organizations continue to deny knowledge of extraterrestrial beings. Nevertheless, these claims and photographic evidence encourage us to question the unknown and the possibility of life beyond our planet. As we ponder these mysteries, the legacy of Bob Dean, who passed away in 2018, leaves us with a wealth of information that will continue to intrigue and captivate us for years to come. Subscribe to stay updated on the latest developments in this enigmatic field.